Hello, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO, Leasing and Property Management here in San Francisco in the Bay Area. Today I'm visiting 3506 in Brookdale. I'm going to be giving you a wonderful tour of this one-bedroom property. And as we enter here, you can appreciate the wonderful wide plank vinyl flooring, big living room, central heat. And we're going to close the door. And you might be able to appreciate this, but these are double pane windows. So as you can tell, there was definitely a sound difference. So it's so quiet in here with the double pane windows. It's like double panes are fantastic because they keep the sound out, but the warmth in. So lots of cabinet space in here. This is just amazing. Got a hood, range, nice deep sink. And lots of counter space to cook and make your meals. Nice little dining room area. And as we come around, I'm going to show you some of the closets. One of the comments I've already heard is how much closet space there is. And here we are in the bedroom. And you can see there's lots of light coming through here. These are nice Venetian blinds. You have a fan, lots of light coming around. Again, look at that deep closet. Is that amazing or what? Look, there's more. There's more deep closets. Look at that. And then for your linens, since you're right next to the bathroom, we're right here. Okay, let's go into the bathroom. Again, very spacious. Tall ceilings. You have a little alcove here in case you want to put a dresser or a little sitting area. Nice tub shower combination. And then you have a sink with a medicine cabinet. These are so cute. Which way does this one open? Oh, there we go. Oh, that doesn't open that way. Oh, there we go. All right. And then a nice closet there as well. Okay, turning around. Let's just scope this out again. Nice big bedroom, lots of closet space, very centrally located. And again, you have this very spacious living room. So you can combine it into one big open space, or you can separate it. We have the living room and then dining room area, and then you have the kitchen. If you're interested in this property, use the links, schedule a showing. We're going to be really excited to show you. All right, cheers.